Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you.
With the sauce. This is homemade sweet and spicy chicken nuggets. Kalail style.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So,
I'm gonna record on my phone too.
you record on your phone? So it look that good, you gotta record on your phone too?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
And then we could insert it in there because they can't see that. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't see this. Oh my gosh. And then this one without the sauce. The one with the sauce, you could already tell that shit looks so fire.
That shit look buzz.
So buzzy.
Yeah. So this is my time to have us have a mukbang.
Where's the forks?
Yeah, forks.
Yeah. I want to eat your fork. Thank you.
Right here, you can use this fork. I want to use my hands. If I were to say the taste, it would be. Hold on, let me get one more. Like, y'all ever had Takis? Definitely Takis. But with sugar on it and with meat. So imagine you had chicken nuggets covered in Taki dust with just a sprinkle of sugar to make it sweet.
Damn.
Imagine orange chicken, but fried. That's exactly what it tastes like, fried orange chicken. Is orange chicken fried?
Yeah, you're fried.
You're stupid!
There you go now. And then the sauce is mayonnaise, relish, hot sauce, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, and lemon pepper. With some lemon juice, lemon extract.
So delicious.
Now, let me get. And I put it in the fryer, but she turned it and flipped it, so.
Get that golden color. If your chicken
Cause of
not
her.
golden, it ain't right.
Nice. Sauce just hit different though.
If you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
You can get how you get lost in the sauce?
It's like all the flavors combined with the sauce, the seasonings. Oh, so good.
Overdose of sauce.
So yeah, Chef Kalail for the win. I gave this a 10 out of 10. For sure.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want, Willie?
This is really good.
And you know, if it wasn't good, she'd say it.
Yeah.
I think it needs some. Maybe it could use some. Because the last time I did it, she told me instantly, your flour is not seasoned enough. You really are from Wisconsin. And I said,
Yo, if he could, he'll probably put some cheese in that flour.
it's true. Only because it would thicken the sauce.
Oh my god. It looks so good. I want them to see
Why
it.
do you always moan no matter what? You never don't moan.
Is that really a moan or is it just like a sound?
Do the noise again.
Was that how it sounded? Okay, that's... Okay, but I moan differently though. My moans change.
Just go ahead and eat my meatballs.
I thought these were chicken nuggets. I'm just kidding. They are. Are they? Well, he wants to call it
They're
chicken.
my chicken nuggets,
Yeah. They're so good.
They're chicken that are shaped like gold nuggets, chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
But they're my meatballs because they're mine and they're made of meat. Now,
I love it.
what's that one song? I love it. I love him. Yeah, baby. I love him. Ooh, ooh. Ah, yeah.
Can you shut the fuck up?
I remember, how can I forget how this chicken make me feel? Made chicken for my only love. Girl, how you feel?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
She said that she love that chicken. It's making her crazy. She start to moan. She's still moaning. This chicken so good. It's turning her horny. Yes.
Excuse him, y'all. Can't no chicken make me horny. Are you kidding me, babe? Only you. You hear me?
She want me. She want me bad.
Yeah, I made, this is my cooking. My cooking makes me horny. Here, hit me with a unseasoned, not unseasoned because it's all seasoned, but unsauced.
Unsauced one. Boom.
Bro, I put a whole bunch of sugar in it, and I thought
It was gonna be like nasty.
too sugar. Yeah, I thought that shit was gonna taste like Kool-Aid, but chicken Kool-Aid. Just enough sugar.
I think the relish really made it. Yeah, did its thing.
It's a different style of living out here. But put in the comments, what's your favorite chicken? And let's be honest here. I'm not saying Chinese has the best chicken, but they have the most types of chicken.
They have like flavor, like
The
flavor.
the best flavor, not the best tasting, but sesame, orange, teriyaki.
I feel like they get out the norm. Like, who you name? Oh my gosh, we gotta cut this out because I just said it. He probably not gonna say it out though. But who do you know make orange chicken? Like literally with oranges.
Yeah.
It's not just named orange chicken. It's not made with oranges. No, they that's with oranges. You know what I'm saying? So I like them because like they make the most out of. What's that word, babe?
Out of bounds? Out of pocket?
No, not out of pocket because out of pocket just sounds negative. They make the most like they like think outside the box with it.
Yeah, it's out of bounds. It's like my fingers. Yeah. That's nice. Do this one.
You like that?
That's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
That's my style.
No. Oh, no, imagine eating this chicken, babe, with some like
Bread.
yeah,
I was
tortilla.
just thinking, I swear I was just thinking that, bro. I swear.
But all we got right now is chicken.
Hey, when we make eggs tomorrow, we could put this sauce on there.
You can make the sauce in. Like you make new sauce.
We'll just put the sauce on there. Put it in the refrigerator. Put my egg on, make you fried egg.
Oh, like leftover sauce? You think it's gonna be leftover?
Of course, there's a lot of sauce here. I don't claim to be the best, but my fried chicken and cut above the rest.
Oh yeah. How about we did your thing?
Wow. I made her eggs in bed one day, like kind of an omelet thing. I put a whole bunch of vegetables. I made her a lesser quality chicken one day. What else I make you?
We made some really good smoothies
Oh yeah, I do make
with some
smoothies.
liquor.
Oh yeah, my mango liquor smoothies.
Yeah.
I think it was Patron, the vodka Patron. I did that too.
Yeah.
I make milkshakes sometimes.
Speaking of milkshake,
No more milk. I use it for the milk wash.
no, that's fine.
Oh,
I was gonna say, speaking of milkshake, let me know if you guys would want to see us record like a ice cream video. Oh, I forgot. You don't really like ice cream like that. Tell them why you don't like ice cream, which is the craziest thing I've ever heard.
well, with ice cream, you can't eat it fast. So you have to eat it maybe really quick with the first 3 bites, and then you have to stop for 5 bites. That's bad business. You should never stop eating something you enjoy. And if it makes you stop, that means it wasn't meant for you and it don't love you. I
So,
don't stop.
Do you think I love you? Do I make you wait or stop?
Well, if I could say one thing, I nut you a lot.
What did you say?
Whoa. I was not expecting that at all.
I know, that's why I had to pause.
Whoa.
I let the tension build up.
Imagine? Yeah,
I
we
let
might
the
have to
tension
sauce
build
it.
up. Yeah, sauce for the eggs. But yeah, you can have the rest. It's fine. It's fine.
No, it's not. No, I'm just taking this thing though. I'm not gonna show y'all.
Okay.
Damn! Look at this.
That's how you know it's good. She breaking the utensils.
Listen, good.
I need some chicken.
I was gonna feed you, but the fork said. No.
It was a sauce kiss.
Hey. Let me feed you. Let me see how crazy we look eating with this big old. Yeah, I think that's it. 'Cause that's really just like.
Yeah, the rest of our sauce gonna be used for our eggs tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna make an egg video tomorrow.
But we gonna eat the egg with.
I don't know. On Kalail, I just think it's
Oh, what if I make the
the dumpling fried joints. Yeah.
But it wasn't gonna be with fried eggs, it's gonna be boiled eggs. That's how I make it.
Wait. So how does it work? Tell me.
So
Y'all getting
It's like-
exclusive footage on our backdoor operation.
it's like an empanada, but the Haitian way, right? So it's like a patty, right? So you make the flour, you flat it out, and then like a pizza, kind of. And then what it is you put stuff inside of
My lips so
inside of it,
shiny.
and then you close it. So like you fold it closed, and then you kind of like stamp it so you can close it shut all the way. And then yeah, so we're gonna put boiled eggs in there, and then the sauce. I guess we could just use the sauce, eat it on the side. So you dip the fried dumpling, not not dumpling, patty.
She said,
there.
yeah, fried patty, yeah.
But we don't got no meat though.
Well,
Y'all, I'm sorry.
we'll
but
use the sauce, because that sauce is a one-of-a-kind sauce. It'll just be like crunchy crumbs. You know how they be, you know how white people be putting crumbs on stuff? Like, oh, this is lasagna. And then they just sprinkle a whole bunch of dried up breadcrumbs on top. This what makes it special, gives it flavor.
So it's gonna have eggs in there? Okay.
But, you know,
Cause right now we're on a budget, so we can't be like spending too much money on food.
so poor.
Yep. This was a chill mukbang, just us eating some chicken.
So, let's tell stories now, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Let's tell your favorite. Why? All right. What's your favorite restaurant? And tell me why it became your favorite restaurant.
Well, I don't really eat out like that, so I can't really say I have a favorite restaurant. But lately, me and Kalail been going to this place called La Paris.
Oh shit! Yeah, hell yeah.
And it's like really some really good Mexican food. And my favorite thing to get from there is it's like a burrito.
It's the burrito's so big.
It's long.
It's almost like Kalail. It's like a 14-inch burrito. Or maybe Kalail's almost like a burrito. But it got not mango, I keep on saying mango. It got plantain in it. It got beans, rice, chicken.
It got like chipotle sauce, avocado.
Yeah, avocados, definitely.
Like them little, what's it called? Like the little onions cut up with the
Diced onions. That's the word.
diced onions with diced everything, like diced tomatoes, like
everything. Everything that makes
a good burrito.
Basically, yeah.
Now they have another one without plantains.
It's all the same thing except for
plantains
without plantains.
would probably be my favorite one because I like the sweetness of the plantain is really good, but I just enjoy just eating it without the plantain in there.
She's a spicy gal. In my
And then
Jamaican accent. She's spicy gal.
I had asked them for
That's a good
this.
accent, girl.
I'm not Jamaican, I don't know. But
Are you from North? Are you
I
like
asked
Jamaican?
them for hot sauce, and they
Oh,
gave me
my God.
like the best hot sauce. Like it was actually spicy.
It was so spicy.
It was very spicy, but it was like spicy and flavorful, not just spicy and.
To her, it was spicy and flavorful.
To
him,
me, it was just spicy.
She made, not her, but a Haitian coworker made something called pickles, and it's a Haitian dish. And that shit was so hot, I kid you not. I was hiccuping and burping for 2-3 hours.
Yeah, pickles is very spicy.
I couldn't handle.
Yep.
I think my favorite restaurant, I have two. One is like a very private, you can't get in without an invitation, and the other one is, more open. But the more open one is definitely La Pria.
Oh, what's the private one called?
JM.
Oh, I didn't even recognize what he was talking about. Oh, really?
What are we talking about? What are we talking about?
Damn, that was a lot
That
of
was
juice.
juicy.
Yeah.
I know. I guess it's because all the JM that should be giving, girl. And we got out of the shower. So yeah, I mean,
that's it for this video.
Exactly.
You guys will have to catch us another time.
when we have more food to eat.
Yeah.
Next time, I want to do something like a gigantic pot, not a pan.
Huh?
Yeah.
Trying to see if we could finish it. That's impossible. Wait, is that what you were gonna say? Yeah.
We can do it.
First of all, In the other video, when you guys watch it, make sure you guys tune into our other videos. He was like, this big old pan, you know we can't finish all that right now. From a pan to a pot, we can finish a pot.
This my twin. You already know what's going on.
Yeah, we both eat, like...
Me and her
Y'all know
come
how,
together.
like, on Instagram, they be like, share this to somebody who you know you can finish. Like, a whole bunch of food. Like,
yeah, this is my somebody.
Yeah.
And we share it. We eat it all.
Yeah, for sure.
We eat it. It's fine. All right. We eat it so much that she eat it forward and I eat it backwards. We eat the front and the...
The front and the back. What kind of front and back is this?
I mean, you always got the front end and the back end, and you know I like my face to get set on. So
I know.
Is it 20 minutes? When it's 20 minutes, we gonna go so I can get my face set on. Cause I'm not one to be on the internet all day. Yeah, I'm not one. I like to record, but I'm not one to put my life on the internet. So this is a very new thing for me.
We do not care.
I get a little bit sidetracked. She sat up like that because it's 20 minutes. It's time to go, y'all. I appreciate y'all.
Guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video.
God bless y'all soul.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else